How do I update my Lowrance GPS? To update your Lowrance GPS, follow these steps. 1. First, you need to connect your GPS to a computer that has internet access using a USB cable. 2. Then, go to the Lowrance website and search for the latest software update for your specific model of GPS. 3. Once you have found the software update, download it to your computer. 4. After the download is complete, install the software on your computer by following the instructions provided by Lowrance. 5. Once the installation is complete, launch the software on your computer. 6. Connect your GPS to your computer using the USB cable. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the software to update your GPS. 8. Make sure that you do not disconnect your GPS tracker during the update process. 9. Wait for the update to complete. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the update. 10. After the update is complete, disconnect your GPS from your computer. 11. Restart your GPS to ensure that the update has been successfully installed. 12. Your Lowrance GPS is now updated and ready to use. If you are still any issues, you can contact customer support for assistance. Link in description box.